So from the diagnostics, we found out that this is part of the issue. This is cam sensor. About the diagnostics and the scan, we find out that this is an issue on the heart starting, because the heart starting is not really constant. It happens sometimes, it goes. So sometimes when the car is cool, sometimes when the car is hot. So you can't really say that this is constant switch, because they have changed constant switch as I said earlier. Now the question now is, we use experience and we used a bit of computer diagnostics. So now we have to change the cam sensors, the 4 cam sensors, and each time you see lean in your car, that's after diagnostic. It means there's a leakage